One last problem, similar to 6a that we just did. This one's a good one, especially if you're like, I kind of have an idea what's going on, but not entirely. Let's do 1 minus the square root of 8 over 2 minus the square root of 8. Again, to get rid of our radical in the denominator, we multiply by the conjugate. If we just tried multiplying by the square root of 8, we'd have 2 radical 8. That's not really helping our case. So multiply by the conjugate. Same thing, opposite sign in the middle. 2 plus the square root of 8. And this one we're going to have to FOIL 2 different places. On the top, 1 times 2. 1 times the square root of 8. Negative square root of 8 times 2. And last, negative square root of 8 times the square root of 8. It's just minus 8. In our denominator, our first terms, we get 4. Outside is plus 2 radical 8. Inside is minus 2 radical 8. And then last, negative square root of 8 times the square root of 8 is minus 8. Just looking at our problem, things that cancel out are 2 radical 8s in the denominator. The numerator, I can combine the 2 and the minus 8. Is negative 6. Square root of 8 minus 2 square root of 8 is negative square root of 8. Over 4 minus 8 is negative 4. The square root of 8, we can simplify that radical because 8 is 4 times 2. Bring that 4 and square root it out front. Get negative 6 minus 2 radical 2 over negative 4. And similar to the last one, the last thing we can do is to notice all of these are divisible by 2. We can either divide everything by 2 or divide by negative 2. It doesn't really matter either way. I usually like to divide by negative 2 so that my numbers are positive, but it doesn't really matter. So divide by negative 2, I get 3 plus the square root of 2 over 2. And that is my final answer. And my baby wants her mommy.